Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can back up Samsung phone before factory reset. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any preferred browser such as Google Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. In the search bar, type Samsung Switch and hit enter. Now open the first website and you will be redirected to this web page. Here you will see options to download the software for both Windows and Mac. Click on the appropriate download button and wait for the download to complete. After the download is finished, go to the location where the file was saved and install it. Now take your Samsung device and connect it to your PC. When you connect the device, the Samsung Smart Switch app will automatically open on your mobile device. Back on your PC, within the Samsung Smart Switch software, you will see an option to backup. Click on this option. You will then be prompted to choose the types of files you want to back up. Select all the categories you wish to back up and then click on the backup button to start the process. Once the backup is completed, a message will appear confirming that the backup was successful. So that's basically how you can back up Samsung phone before factory reset. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.